So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. You want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. Now you want to find the Microsoft Office folder. It's either going to be in Program Files or it's going to be in Program Files x86. For me, it's in Program Files. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to scroll down and I've got Microsoft Office right here. I'm going to double click on it again. In your case, you want to locate the Microsoft Office folder. Again, it might also be in Program Files x86. And now once we're here, you want to select your Office version. For me, it's Office 16. I'm going to select that. You want to find this file right here, OSPP Rearm. You want to right click on it and then click on Run as Admin and then click on Yes. After you run it as admin one time, you want to run it as admin again. So you want to right click on it again, run as admin, and then click on Yes. And now the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.